Hey, good morning, spur chasers. Well, I can tell it was a rough day yesterday. I'd say it was a long day, that's for sure. So this would be, if I include Montana, day 5 of the 2021 season. And I am heading into Idaho. After Shane doubled on his first time ever turkey hunt yesterday, man, I don't think I can go wrong today. Anyway, I'm heading into Idaho, and I guess I'll sling a gun today. I haven't dropped the tag yet. Really wasn't trying to yesterday. But I'm going to meet up with a man I don't know. Never met him before. His name is Thomas. And I think Thomas is a police officer also. And I know him through Instagram, but we've never met. So heading out with Thomas in Idaho. See if we can put a bird down with him. And if more than one comes in, maybe there's a possibility I'll put one down too. We shall see. I don't know, but either way, this would be day 5 of the 2021 turkey tour. Heading into Idaho, panhandle time. Here we go, more to come. Snow in the background. Have fun taking some photos.
Let's go get you a bird.
Let's go get
I'm gonna learn how to run a camera.
That's all. That's pretty simple. I got a cameraman. More to come. That was a great hunt. All right, well, we're here with Thomas. Hey, Thomas.
Hey.
Say hello to the world.
Hello, world.
So, who is Thomas? As much as you want to tell it the world.
I'm a novice turkey hunter. Didn't grow up hunting. Grew up camping, but
yeah,
moved to Idaho when I decided I needed to live in the land of the free, and
cool. Got
out of the Marine Corps, and hunting just seemed like the right thing to do.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you. You as well.
Not a problem.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate it. So we're just going to go out and have some fun, and we're going to go sneak in on a roost that I was in on there last year. We did a lot of that morning calling and stuff. So we'll get an experience for doing a roost. Have you roosted a bird, or come out of a roost in the morning at all?
Have not.
Okay.
So.
Well, we're going on in. We'll see what happens.
Sounds like a plan.
All right, more to come.
All right.
Well, we got some morning gobble action in the distance. It's definitely a beautiful morning. We rolled the dice on the possible roost setup, but it's not going to work here. He's just gonna have to go somewhere else. Let's go get it done. Close the gap. Just want to get them gobbling a little more, but hopefully they'll come across. Great looking day though. It's not bad for April 16th in North Idaho. Yeah, no, that's for sure. Beautiful. Beats the heck out of Montana, I'll tell you that. Alright. The game is on. Turkey chest time. Well, it is a beautiful morning in the Idaho Panhandle. And the gobbling has mostly stopped. And the sun is coming up. And it's just gorgeous. So, we're out here. Tom's going to carry the deke a little bit for me too.
Got my turkey right here.
That's right, we're good to go. We're going to take that thing and breast it.
If we killed one this early, we wouldn't have gotten to see the sunrise in the same manner. So
that's right.
Got to enjoy the day too.
Amen to that. It is a gorgeous day. There's turkeys gobbling all the way around us, basically. The entire perimeter of the property has got gobbles, but typical fly down, a little bit of quietness, random gobble. There's a few way up in the back of the mound. I just don't know if it's necessary to go after a bird that doesn't tell us that he's committed to come to us. So a lot of times you kill yourself trying to get to a bird and find that it was a waste of time anyway. He's as difficult as anything else. Typical hand-up birds everywhere. But we're going to keep searching until we find the bird. More to come.
Find him.
We'll find them.
We'll find him.
They're here somewhere. We just got a couple fired up. Not sure they're going to make the distance, but they can if they really want to. Over in that other ridge somewhere. They can definitely walk the road to us though. A Tom and another Tom and maybe a couple Jakes. A little bachelor party going on over there. See what I tell you? If we stayed down there, they'd have been right above us. Walking around cannot always be a benefit. It's a nice group of birds though. Luckily we're not out in the open. Oh, you're okay. Just bringing you in.
Gotcha. They're fired up, that's for sure.
Yeah.
It's my favorite sound right now.
We're in the worst possible spot to get back to because it's wide open down below us. So we just popped one down on private again.
It's number 2 on private.
Yeah. Stellar day.
Sunshine and gobbles.
Yeah. Can't beat it. Oh, well, we'll beat it when you shoot one. Sure brought the gun mount. We could have both shot at the same time. Well, it's a gaggle of birds over there for sure. I'm not sure if one's going to break away or if it's just that they're going to gobble and fight. It sounds like it's turning into a potential problem for them trying to break up because that's a lot of toms to be in one spot. But, I don't know. We got to do something. We got to make a move. More to come.
Come up with our game plan.
Okay, I think we got their interest peaked. They're right up there on the upper road, strutting like crazy. If you can see them. Right on the road. Yep, there he is. There's a few of them strutting their way around the road, heading our way. Kind of got them peaked. And if they keep coming around, they'll come right to where we are. What do you think, 600 yards? You can make that shot?
Maybe get pellets somewhere on the hillside.
Yeah, right. Alright, more to come. They're working their way over. To make a move when they get behind the trees. Okay, so at this point they are running on the outer road to get over here. They're running on that outer perimeter road.
I don't know if you heard that, but
So we had 3 birds.
we had 3 birds out there.
I failed to bring the camera mount.
I think we
I
had
could
4.
have taken out 2. But Tom's a shooter, so I'm okay. If I'm really quick, I could drop the camera and pop the other one. Maybe I should have brought the tripod. Just left it. I should have done this. I was more focused on making sure you got birds. We're going to try to create a setup in this bowl right here. Because if they keep coming on the road, they got to come around that corner. And so if we get up here and find a good spot that gives Tom a 20-yard shot, and if the decoy doesn't hurt, we're going to find out just how good the decoy is. If they strut in, he's got a 20-yard shot. So let's get a setup going here.
Let's do it.
Obviously, if they're strutting, I mean, you can let them strut, you know. But at some point, it gets too close.
Okay.
You know how that head is kind of curled back, right?
Right.
So you got to pluck that head out. Just make sure you're still on the neck that's bent forward a little bit. So I like to float the head, not aim at it. But I don't know how wide your pattern is.
Pretty wide.
That's what I figured. Hopefully they don't go up the canyon. Hopefully they keep coming. Sounds like they're coming. Well, folks, I think we might have lost them up on that upper draw. But they're not gone for good. We know where they are, so that's good. We just heard a hen making some yakking noise. I was hoping they were just going to keep coming down the road, but apparently they ran into some hens in the back corner. I might have to try to go up above them. It's a big play, but it's turkey hunting, yeah. I can hear spitting and drumming somewhere right in front of us, or off to the side. Even though it carries. Might be the ones that are up in the woods above us, I don't know. Did you hear it? No. It's pretty distinct. Yeah, they're right up above us. Of course. Well, just don't shoot my camera. But they're coming through the woods on the right. And they're definitely coming, so. Want me to get the camera out of the way?
Yeah, it might not be terribly, unless you think it's too late.
They're right there.
Oh, shoot.
Try not to. We got a gaggle, man. I think the other ones are coming down the road as well, so I don't know what to tell you. You might have to swing and shoot from the left. I don't know what's going to happen here. It's the best part of turkey hunting. have to swing right. You swing right, but I don't think you'll have to. He's right there on the bank, coming down. Just watch him, just watch him. He's coming down. Doesn't let me want to. Take him. Yeah. Good job, buddy. Boom. Stud. Alright. That was awesome now. Man, you took your time on that shot.
Yeah, it's just trying to get ahead of him a little bit.
Right. Ahead of him?
Well, like, yeah, I just wanted to be right on the neck. You know, I kept feeling like every time I'd start to get over, I was kind of pushing on this.
Oh, no.
It was slowing me down a little bit.
Right.
So I was like, finally got over it.
Oh, because that was right in your way to even see your sights, probably. Good job, man. The big bump,
Hell
man.
yeah, man.
Did good. Did good.
I think I'm gonna go put this poor bird out of his misery.
Oh, he's dead. You don't need to do anything else. When a turkey's flapping like that, he's dead.
Gotcha.
That's just like, if you cut the head off a chicken, it will run around your yard.
So I didn't really even think. I was like, oh, there's no way a bird will come in after that shot. So I was just like, I might as well go down and get
It's
my
just a
bird.
big loud noise.
Gotcha.
They don't know what it is. And when his fan went up in the air like that, like if you hadn't moved, because the other one was right there.
They're still pecking around up there.
There's all kinds of fighting going on. The hunt's not over just because of noise. It's over because of movement.
Gotcha. Well, thank you so much, man.
It ain't done. There's more goblin.
What an awesome freaking morning.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Thank you, man.
Thanks for that. Look at the beautiful scenery in the background. You got it too.
I'm smiling. Happy turkey hunter.
He did good. All right, we're examining this studly bird he just put down. Put the wings out to the sides. Fan, pull them out on both sides. Get them out nice and wide as much as you can. Let's see that fan. Nice tail. Looking good.
Man,
Yeah.
what a bird.
Good job, man.
Thank you, turkey. Thank you, John.
Oh, it was fun.
What an amazing morning.
Couldn't ask for a better
North
morning.
Idaho.
Yeah.
Great weather.
Gotta love the panhandle. Let's see that beard. Let's stretch that beard out in front too. 'Cause that was a nice beard coming in. I saw his beard, like, oh yeah, get that bird. There it is. Nice brush. Sometimes they don't have much. We're gonna get some photos for sure now. Rocking it, brother. Good job.
Thank you, man. This
He
is
was all
awesome.
over the place
What a
too. I
morning.
knew that wasn't gonna be an easy shot for you because he was not holding still for nothing.
No, yeah. You know, I was kind of waiting for that moment for him to just kind of like stand still, strut, and then
Yeah.
I was gonna let him unpuff
Yeah.
and take the shot. But he just kept moving, man. He
Yeah.
didn't like that, Jake.
He came in and he was gonna go beat that thing up, but
Yeah.
then something caught his eye. I don't know if it was, we don't know, because we weren't totally hidden. You know, we knew it was gonna happen pretty quick, but that was cool.
I'm
That was
grateful.
very cool.
Turkey birds.
Yeah. All right, you got your first one for the 2021 season.
On my opening day, man.
Yeah, this is your
This is
opening day,
my
technically.
opening day,
Yesterday
my first
was
day.
yesterday was Idaho's opener, right?
Yeah.
I mean, technically yesterday was Idaho's opener,
Yeah.
but you were working, right?
Working,
Yeah,
yeah.
he was working, so
Was working,
it's a good thing you held off and didn't come in because today was great.
right? Today was awesome.
We started way down in the valley and worked our way up.
Mountain
So.
birds, man.
Yeah, totally.
Turkeys you earn.
There's a bunch more in here too. We know that. The ones in the corner stayed in the corner. They never came out. So might be my turn now. We'll see what happens.
I'm game.
Yeah,
Let's
you
get
can
it.
run the camera.
Let's get
More
it
to
on.
come. Sweet talking with the Phelps.
Idaho.
No problem.
Idaho 2021 off to a good start.
That's right.
Public land. First
And that's
public
your-
land turkey, man.
This is your first public land turkey?
First public land bird.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yes, we are on public land. We are on public land 99.9% of the time. I prefer it. It's fun. Yeah, there's not a single person here. Just us on a Friday. That's pretty good.
It is.
Big chunk of land too. Still birds gobbling everywhere. See, I told you just gotta let the morning move on a little bit.
Yeah.
Don't get anxious about it. Let the day move on. Let the birds start doing their thing, and then it'll light up. Hearing them in the morning just lets you know there's birds here. That doesn't mean it's gonna happen.
Yeah, like I said, in the first 3 hours today, I've learned more than I've learned in the last 3 years.
Oh, I'm humbled by that.
You know, learning to, getting to sit here and listen to them in the roost.
Yeah.
Figure out where they are.
Yeah.
You know,
Move in on them. Don't get too tight.
right?
Make it happen with a little bit of good calling.
Good setup.
Yeah, good setup. We set it up proper. Even though he came down off that bank, technically, he came out of the woods down the bank. Lucky he didn't come right into our face, but that would have been a good shot
That's
too.
what he was going to do for
Yeah,
a second.
I
Yeah,
know.
now he's going to come right in our face.
Ah, that was fun.
And then final lesson of the morning was don't jump the gun.
Don't jump the gun.
Stay tight, let it breathe for a minute.
Yeah, yeah, because there was another one right behind him. He has two tags. If he didn't move, there was one right behind him, and that bird might have just jumped right down on this one. Because a lot of times they'll jump on the other one saying, oh, I got a chance to beat him up.
Right. But hey, that just means more season.
Yeah, more season,
More
time.
hunting.
More to come. I'm going to take some pictures now. It's an epic spot. But here we go. All right, we're slinging the bird. And what is that you got slinging the bird with?
Limb hanger totes.
And limb hanger totes. We're going to tote this turkey out of the woods. Guy does a nice job. He does all different patterns. I love the red, white, and blue one. So, of course,
Heck yeah.
had to go that way. Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
Yeah.
Just got a bird slung.
He is slung and ready to go.
Ready to head.
He's going to do the suitcase carry.
Head on to the next bird.
Yeah, he's going to do the walk of fame. That was a good hunt. We got our pictures. And it is a beautiful morning. It's warming up. I don't know, it's, what is it, like 8 o'clock?
Oh,
If
yeah,
that?
just after 8.
Yeah. Beautiful mountains. Snow in the background. Had fun taking some photos. And now it's my turn. I got a cameraman.
Let's go get you a bird.
Let's go get me
I'm
a
going to learn
bird.
how to run a camera.
That's all. That's pretty simple. I got a cameraman. More to come. That was a great hunt. Loving every minute of it. Got another gaggle of birds down here. Down on private, most likely. But they're talking, so. There's a couple birds there. We just need one. I'm waiting to hear them gobble without me making them gobble. because that'll tell you if the bird's actually interested. Right now, I'm just making them go. That one sounds really nice. One of the things Tom and I were talking about is the fact that it's not natural for a Tom to come to you. He wants the hen to come to him if she wants to breed. Or he'll just follow her around all day, whichever. So really, when we're calling birds, we're trying to get them to do something that's not natural, is to come to the hen. And they will, if they're hot. Alright, so they're hanging up on public, on the private down there. It doesn't surprise me. I think it's the same gaggle of birds that went behind us where we pulled the bird in for him to shoot earlier, but if we can get down on their level, we have a chance of maybe pulling one. There's a couple others down there too that weren't part of this group. So we're going to go down below, roll a dice. I don't have a lot of high expectation because they're in a safe, comfortable place. But we'll see. Give it a shot.
Let's do it.
Yeah, see what happens. God, big jakes are all gobbling together to sound bigger. There's a Tom with a hen, though. Out there. I think beyond them. See him? Yeah. awesome. That was really awesome. Might as well make them goggle for the fun of it. So we got them, and we got another Tom down there somewhere. Probably end up. I knew it was going to be a gaggle of jigs, but I thought for sure that we had Tom. Hey, spur chasers. All right, this would be hunt number. Heck, I don't know. What do you think? I think it's hunt number 6. Yeah, 3 in Montana, 2 over here in Washington so far.